Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's New Video Thursday.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
I've got another food pantry haul for you. Now, I want you to see what's going on besides that. Look at this. The window garden is going crazy, you all. Look at it. That is so cool. I did not expect that. Now, I really got some good blessings today for you. I want you to see what I got, and I want you to hear what I'm going to make with some of this stuff. Okay? All right. Let's go. Once again, we are starting from the left to the right. Okay. We have, first and foremost, peanut butter. Yes. We've got some, chicken of the sea tuna. Yep. Some pink salmon. Chicken of the sea, pink salmon. I'm making some salmon salad. I don't care what nobody says, and I love it. Sliced peaches in fruit juice. These make a wonderful drink for the summertime. Peach Melba, I'll show you how to make it. Then I've got some cut green beans. I said it right this time. Some whole kernel corn. And I've got some pasta sauce. 2 mac and cheese dinners, which are once again going to go into my cold salads. Then I got some pasta, which there again, I'm going to make a cold salad with this. Yes, I am. Watch me. Got some white rice, enriched long grain. And then we've got 7 bottles of water. Oh, that was so needed, so needed. I love water. I was telling Rebecca just the other day how much I love water. Then we got some whole milk. A half gallon. Yes. Then I love these things. They're Fruit Loops, but the knockoff brand. And they taste just like the regular ones. So good. Did you know that you can make a dessert with this? Yes, you can. You can put them in cakes. You can put them in puddings. Now, let's jump over here to the good stuff. Not that this isn't good, but you know what I'm saying. Come on. Ignore the sink. Okay. Wow. We have a bag. 6 green apples. I think I'm going to make some green juice, you all. Because over here, I've got some celery. Green juice is coming. I got a bag of onions. 7 of those. Then I got a huge bag of plums. Look at that. Ripe and ready. Oh, yeah. Then I've got a bag of oranges. These are so good this year. So sweet. So nice. You can also use these for drinks, as well as the plums. Then we've got a bag of red potatoes. These are so good roasted. I also make these into mashed potatoes. I leave the skin on. Then we've got something unusual, you all. Look at this. Excuse me. It is a rotisserie base for chicken. You know I'm using that. You know I am using that. Then we have some chicken chorizo. Now, I'm not a chorizo fan, but hey, I'll probably give this to somebody. One of the neighbors, they love this stuff. Yeah. Then look, you all. We got 2 packs. Oh, they stuck together, but that's okay. 2 packs of chicken thighs, frozen. That'll be good on the grill. Then we've got some chili with no beans. I can make chili potatoes with that. Of course, you know what? These chicken thighs, Yep, are going to go in this marinade, and I'm going to rotisserize them. Or I could even put them in the grill. Let's get a pan of the big blessings we got today. Especially with that produce. Look at all that produce. Wow. Did you see all that produce? Yes, you can live healthy through the food pantry if you make the right decisions, okay? And the right choices. Now, I want you all to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Ask me if you have something from the food pantry and you have no idea how to cook it. Ask me. I'll have some ideas for you, okay? If you're hungry and you're near the Chicago area or the Indiana area, let me know. Write to me, okay? Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. Did I say like, comment, and subscribe? I think I did. I swear, I have not been nipping. No, it's too early. I haven't been doing that. All right? Do not be ashamed or afraid to go to the food pantry. Better lighting. It can help you out. I can help you out. Just let me know. All right? All right. We got some more videos coming up this week. We got some exciting things for the backyard and a barbecue video requested by Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca. Did I say Rebecca? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris, and tune in. You never know what you might see. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got